The display you've been staring at for the last 3 years just became obsolete. 4 years, Apple fans have been caught in a frustrating middle ground. You either spend $1,500 on a studio display that feels stuck in 2022 with its 60 Hz refresh rate, or you sell a kidney for the Pro Display XDR that costs more than a used car. But the silence from Cupertino is about to be broken by a roar. We are talking about the Apple Studio Display 2 and its ultra-premium sibling, the Studio Display XDR. The leaks are no longer just whispers. They are full-blown technical blueprints found deep within the macOS Tahoe kernel. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. If you are a creator, a coder, or just someone who demands the absolute best visual experience on your desk, you need to stop everything. Because Apple is about to drop a monitor that doesn't just display images, it redefines reality. Let's talk about the ProMotion elephant in the room. 4 years, every high-end Apple device, from the iPhone to the iPad Pro to the MacBook Pro, has enjoyed the buttery smoothness of 120 Hz. Yet, the Studio Display sat there, stagnant, at 60 Hz. In the tech world of 2026, 60 Hz feels like watching a slideshow. But according to the latest internal files under the codename J527, Apple is finally bringing the 120 Hz ProMotion revolution to your desktop. Imagine scrolling through a 50-page document, or editing a high frame rate timeline, and seeing zero motion blur. It's not just nice to have, it's a productivity game changer. But there's a twist. Some leaks suggest a standard model might hit 90 Hz to keep costs down, while the true Studio Display 2 hits the full 120 Hz. Apple knows that once you see 120 Hz on a 27-inch 5K canvas, you can never go back. But the refresh rate is just the tip of the iceberg. The real magic is happening behind the glass. The current Studio Display is an SDR-only monitor. In a world where your iPhone can record and playback stunning Dolby Vision HDR, your professional monitor shouldn't be lagging behind. Enter Mini LED. The Studio Display 2 is rumored to be ditching the traditional edge-lit LCD for a sophisticated Mini LED backlighting system with over 2,000 local dimming zones. We are talking about 1,000 nits of sustained brightness and a staggering 2,000 nits of peak HDR brightness. This means deep, inky blacks that rival OLED, but without the risk of burn-in, a critical factor for professionals who keep static windows open for 10 hours a day. When you open a high dynamic range photo or video, the colors won't just look accurate, they will look alive. Now, let's talk about the brain inside the monitor. Yes, your monitor has a brain. The original used an A13 chip, but the Studio Display 2 is expected to leapfrog straight to the A19 or even an A19 Pro. Why does a monitor need that much power? 3 words: Apple Intelligence. We are moving into an era where your display is an active participant in your workflow. With the A19, the Studio Display 2 will feature AI scene optimization. It will analyze the content on your screen in real time, whether it's a dark movie scene, a vibrant photo, or a text-heavy document, and adjust the dimming zones and color balance pixel by pixel to give you the perfect view. And let's not forget the webcam. The much-criticized 12MP camera is getting a massive AI overhaul. With the A19's neural engine, Center Stage will feel more fluid, and Desk View will use generative AI to fix perspective distortion, making it look